Unlocking the victory. Understanding game point in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a phrase that's as competitive as it is exciting. Game point. Whether you're a sports fan, a gamer, or just love learning English, knowing this term will definitely score you points in conversations. So, let's jump in and learn all about it. Game point is a term that's steeped in the world of sports and games. It refers to the situation where a player or a team is just 1 point away from winning a game. The anticipation and tension are high when someone has reached the game point because it's the climax of the match, the make or break moment. This phrase is most commonly used in racket sports like tennis or badminton, but it's not confined to them. It has crossed over into various other competitive activities, including team sports and even board games. In a broader sense, game point can be metaphorically applied to any scenario where someone is on the cusp of achieving a significant victory or success. For example, closing a major business deal or completing a challenging project. Using game point correctly can be a game changer in how you communicate about competition and success. Here are a few examples. With her next move in chess, she could declare game point and secure her championship title. The crowd held their breath as the player served for game point. This contract could be the game point in our company's history. Remember, it's all about the context of being on the brink of victory. The phrase, game point, isn't just limited to actual games. It has been adopted in movies, literature, and everyday speech to highlight a crucial or final effort needed to win. When you watch sports movies or read books with a competitive edge, you'll notice game point situations heightening the drama. It's important not to confuse game point with match point. While game point signifies the point needed to win the game, match point is used when a player or team is about to win the entire match. Think of game point as a single battle and match point as winning the whole war. And that's game point for you. It's more than just a phrase. It's the moment of ultimate suspense in a game, and a powerful metaphor for success in life. I hope this video helps you not just understand the term, but also feel the excitement it represents. Keep learning and keep aiming for your own game points in English and beyond.